Now, tomorrow morning, I'll come back and I'll show you what's going on the rest of the week. But here's what we got today. We got ADP payroll numbers. The reading was last at 122,000. I keep telling you guys, anything under 100, over 100,000 is good numbers. They expected 118. I'm thinking, okay, this should be kind of on point. I didn't think it'd go under 100,000. So now this is saying to the market, okay, now what's going to go on? So now this is telling the Fed, okay, the jobs market might be good based on yesterday's news, but might not be good. So now the Federal Reserve sits there and they say, now what do we do? So let me give you my thoughts on this. If we go to this, I'm just saying, okay, inflation's way high. I'm not concerned right now about the employment numbers. We see we're going to get rest of the week. We're going to get the real true unemployment rate from the government, the wage growth and things like that. We're going to pay attention to that later in the week. But then you go over to GDP right behind my head, and the country actually is growing. Last readings, this was revised 3 times. It went from 0.6 to 1.5 to 2.1. Now we're over 2% growth in our country. So you have a good growth in our country. The jobs market's kind of like flipping a coin right now, and inflation's basically based on oil. So when that comes out of the equation, okay, it could be a good inflationary front. So let's get over what is the Federal Reserve expected to do at the next meeting. Well, let me fast forward a little bit because I think we're going to know what the Federal Reserve is going to do.